Welcome to the best picks. The best Gemmy Inflatable Fan is probably one of the most sought-after replacement parts for inflatable holiday decorations, ensuring your festive displays remain bright and cheerful throughout the season. This video will provide an in-depth review of the Gemmy Inflatable Replacement Fan, covering its features, performance, ease of installation, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for keeping your inflatable decorations looking their best. Number 5. Gemmy JDH1232S Inflatable Fan. Introducing the Gemmy JDH1232S Replacement Fan. It features a 6-foot-long light string with 3 super bright LED lights, perfect for illuminating your inflatable decorations. This 12V 1.5A blower is designed to keep your inflatables fully inflated. Its powerful motor ensures reliable performance. Replacing your old fan is simple. It's the perfect replacement for LXDC brushless fan DC 12V 1.2A model No. 12038. Before purchasing, please check the model number of your current inflatables motor to ensure compatibility. This will guarantee a perfect fit. With its bright LEDs and powerful motor, it's the ideal solution for keeping your inflatable decorations looking their best. Get yours today. What we like. It boasts 3 super bright LEDs illuminating your inflatable. The extra long light string ensures even coverage. If you need a powerful fan with vibrant lighting for your large inflatable decorations, this is the one for you. What people say. To be clear, I make sure they're unplugged when it rains, and this one started right up with no problems when I plugged it back in after it rained. Even when the inflatable was still wet, it fully inflated the decoration. The lights are very bright too. Fan is plenty strong for this inflatable Santa on the sleigh with 2 reindeer. He had noticeably more air pressure inside and stood up straighter than before. Number 4. Gemmy Replacement Fan Blower. This is the Gemmy Replacement Fan Blower, designed to keep your Gemmy Airblown inflatables working perfectly. It's a simple, reliable solution for a common problem. It's a direct replacement for your existing fan, ensuring a seamless fit and easy installation. No more struggling with a malfunctioning fan. This blower features a powerful 1.0 amp motor and comes with a matching 1.0 amp adapter. It's specifically designed for Gemmy Airblown inflatables. It also includes a super bright LED light, adding extra visibility and enhancing your inflatable's nighttime display. Enjoy a brighter, more eye-catching inflatable. Installation is quick and easy. Simply replace your old fan with this new one and plug in the adapter. Get back to enjoying your inflatable in no time. It's built to last, providing reliable performance season after season. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your inflatable is in good hands. What we like. This model offers a reliable 1.0A power for smaller inflatables. Its simple design makes it easy to install. If you're on a budget and need a basic replacement fan, this is a great choice. What people say. Worked great to replace a burnt-out blower on one of our Halloween decorations. Number 3. Gemmy Airblown Inflatable Fan. Introducing the replacement fan for your Gemmy Airblown inflatable. It's a 1.0 amp fan with a matching adapter, ensuring a perfect fit. This powerful little fan provides the airflow your inflatable needs to stay inflated. It's designed for optimal performance and longevity. The adapter is included, so you have everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. No need to source parts separately. It also includes a 7-foot LED light string to illuminate your inflatable. This adds a festive touch to your display. Before ordering, please double-check your inflatable specifications to ensure compatibility. This will guarantee a perfect fit. It's designed for easy installation, so you can get your inflatable back up and running in no time. Enjoy the festive cheer. What we like. It features a longer light string compared to others, providing better illumination. The 1.0A power is perfect for medium-sized inflatables. If you want brighter, more extensive lighting for your inflatable, this is a perfect option. What people say. It was cheaper than replacing the inflatable and was very easy to replace. The inflatable works as intended, and I recommend this fan blower to restore your inflatables. No special tools or skill needed. Seriously easy to install, and the DC power adapter design is better than the original. Still running well. The replacement LEDs are cooler and brighter than the originals, which make Snoopy look much better at night. It took only a few minutes to remove the old fan and lights, and these plugged in as a perfect fit. The lights snapped right on and the fan fit the original zip lock, although a new zip lock was provided. The lights illuminate perfectly and the fan keeps the entire device inflated. Number 2. Gemmy Airblown Inflatable Fan. Introducing the replacement fan for your Gemmy Airblown inflatable decorations. It's a 1.5 amp fan, ensuring powerful inflation for your holiday displays. This isn't just any fan, it's a robust 1.5 amp blower, designed to handle even the largest inflatables with ease. It's the perfect replacement for your existing fan. We've included a matching 1.5 amp adapter, so you have everything you need for a seamless replacement. Simply plug it in and watch your inflatable come to life. And that's not all. It also comes with an approximately 6-foot LED light string to add extra sparkle to your inflatable. Brighten up your holiday season. Before ordering, please double-check your inflatable specifications to ensure compatibility. This will guarantee a perfect fit and optimal performance. Replacing your old fan is quick and easy. Simply connect it to your inflatable and enjoy a fully functional decoration once again. What we like. This fan provides a powerful 1.5A motor for larger inflatables. It also includes a bright LED light string. If you need a robust and reliable replacement fan for your larger inflatable, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Easy to install, works well. Exact replacement for part number, works great. The instructions included were easy to follow. The blower fit perfectly and went in with little effort. Number 1. Gemmy BL3N1 Fan Blower. This is the Gemmy replacement fan blower, designed for your large inflatables. It's the perfect solution to keep your holiday decorations looking their best. It's built to handle inflatables from 10 to 12 feet tall. You can trust it to keep your decorations inflated and looking great. This blower also features 6 integrated lights. It will illuminate your inflatable decorations, adding extra holiday cheer. It has a sturdy base for stability. This ensures it will stay put, even in windy conditions. Simply plug it in and let it do the work. It's designed for easy setup and use, making decorating a breeze. This is a Gemmy product, known for quality and reliability. It's a smart investment for your holiday inflatables. What we like. This model stands out with 6 bright lights and a sturdy base, ideal for taller inflatables. The enhanced stability ensures your inflatable stays upright. If you have a tall inflatable that needs extra support and illumination, this is the one for you. What people say. The blower motor was very easy to install. It took me 20 minutes to remove the old blower motor and install the new blower motor. This saved our $200 inflatable that died after 1 season. Worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.